Tina&Tibidu, Tibidu will come to you.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do, what do we see?
A waffle smiling at you and me.
Let's ride the wagon, wave hello! It's for whale, watch it go!
W is for waffle, wagon whale. W is for wind in a sailing tail.
The double clap along with me.
It's the happiest letter you see.
You see. Wise wolves eating watermelon rain.
We all laugh, the fun we're telling Blaine.
Tina writes W in the sky, so bright, bright. Cheers! Wow, what a sight!
Yay! All together.
W is for waffle, wagon whale. W is for wind in our sailing tail.
You